So how do you feel about sharks? Is that what we call shark fishing? It's like a human lure for a shark. And they've been told there is some white pointers here in Mar Menor. One's been caught just over there 2 years ago, so there is sharks here. You have to, because it's dense. Oh, una carrera. Okay. Okay, no problems. There you go, salta, salta. Turn's got to be quicker. And the bar's all the way out. Look where your bar is. 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 The bar's too far out. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. $12 o'clock, stop, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. That was pretty intense. Yeah. I'd like to see a little bit more control though. They're good enough, no one's dead.
So what should I improve now?
Well, it's just getting those turns really tight. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, it's quick turns. Quick.
Okay, so I wait too long and then
Yeah,
I want to go to left.
yeah, just tight.
Okay. I need to rehearse this.
Yeah.